Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can log out of from Notability. So let's get straight into it. Now we are in the library, so the main screen, and let's go here to the settings. So the gear icon at the top left corner, click on it, and you will see here directly the first one, account. So here under your email you will see sign out button. If you press that, you will be locked out from sign out from the Notability, and that's basically it. If you have something connected here, maybe some Dropbox, Google Drive or something, now here for me it says connect because I don't have anything connected, but if you have it, it will say unconnect or something uh, with the red button, and then just hit it and you will be signed out from these connected services. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next